Why don't you tell the people what we're doing today, Emma?
We're going to Berlin.
What time is it?
It's shoot early in the morning.
Yeah, we had to leave really early because we didn't want to pay $150.
Poor.
It's only 30-some euros if you go 4 in the morning.
Geoff didn't get any sleep last night.
Yeah. Here we go. Berlin bound. Rock and roll. Tired. 2 days in Berlin is not enough. There's just so much history. We did a walking tour. We got to see the main historic sites, got to some cool museums, but it was just kind of a first trip for us. We're gonna have to come back.
So my colleague, Yulia, let us stay in her apartment while she and her partner are out traveling. And her apartment's been really nice. It's like a little sanctuary. It's been really nice to get out just a little bit at a time because we've been really focused on work and school. It's been a really great place to explore Hamburg from.
On another train.
Oh gosh.
Leaving Hamburg.
Yeah, bye.
Bye, Hamburg.
See you later, Hamburg.
Going to Freiburg.
Yeah.
Super tired. I had a cough, which scared me. Had to take a COVID test, but
It's negative.
negative. I have allergies, though. So, neither one of us slept really last night.
No.
No sleeps.
No, I had raging anxiety all night.
Yay.
Yay.
Now we're going to drink our coffee and eat our food. Treats. Having our very last Franzbrötchen, the famous croissant from Hamburg. The crushed croissant. Now that we're leaving Hamburg, it's going to be our very last one for a while. Hey Emma.